This poem, If Walls Could Talk, it will be in my upcoming book, Divine Soul Whispers. Okay, and it goes, if walls could talk, they would share the woes and the wows, the wonders and surprises, the griefs and sadness, the inspirations and motivations. If walls could talk, the outsiders would gasp at the Wonder Woman, Wonder Man, the stories that hide beneath the surface, the untold facts of who we are. If walls could talk, the unions would be revealed, the frustrations of life's entanglements, the love that is growing underneath the surface, the secrets untold, the lifetimes of togetherness. If walls could talk, we would give each other many more chances to try again. Passions and compassions would be the norm, relieving each other of the burdens of life, showing graceful moments to strangers, for we shall need the same grace someday. If walls could talk, a gentle hug would be in order towards those suffering in silence. A gentle assurance that all will be okay would be greatly appreciated. A hand rub, a handshake, an embrace would be generously shared. If walls could talk, there would be a mirror of what is and what is to come. As seasons come and go, our hearts learn to expand and remain open. As we cultivate patience, stemming from maturity with the idea that solutions will unveil themselves, the true path will show itself, the steadfastness in you will uphold you to follow through to the end. If walls could talk, they would act as a close friend from a far away land. If walls could talk, I tell you. I hope this poem blesses you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.